middle left, indicate. Make sure we're away from the parked car.
Good, well done.
Slow down. Mirror left again. And then slowly turning into the left road. Straighten up. And then up the road. Making sure we're in the middle so that we're away from the parked cars on the curb.
Keep going this time, don't stop. Keep talking to yourself. If you see a developing hazard, potential hazard, just keep talking to yourself, scan the road.
Okay, so we're about to approach the left junction, so we can start signalling now. Slowing down speed just a little bit, making sure we're in the middle of the road. Okay, assess. Okay, so now we're approaching the junction, so we slow our speed down a bit. And then we position our car to make sure it's in the left, making sure that the mirror is in line with the curb. So we're a bit further away.
This is perfect position, okay?
Assess the junction. Here, so now it's free. We can turn into the left.
Which way we
Okay.
moving? Which way?
Now we have to go to the right because there's a parked car.
Okay.
Making sure that we're in the middle of the road because we need to be a meter from the curb and a door width from the parked car.
Mm-hmm. The crossroad we are turning left. Move to this side more because we don't want to go close with these cars.
Okay, so we can
More
start
to this side. More. Okay.
slowing down the speed a little.
Good.
Away from the parked cars, we can now move into the left side of the road. Slowing down.
Signal again.
Signal. Slow down.
We stop here, okay? Just
Yeah.
slow down early so you can see.
Okay. The road is clear. We can slow.
And just come with a rolling like speed. When you see the junction, don't come really fast.
Okay.
Come with the rolling speed like you are crawling, very, very slow, and keep looking.
Road is clear, so we can now
Mhm.
turn to the left.
Move more to this side because we don't want to go on the curb. Can you see the hazard here?
Yep, there's a parked car on the right.
So we
make
slow down. If we slow down, we will fix our position. We'll move to the right now.
Yep.
Yeah, more to this side. Full. That's good. More to this side. Good. And now we come on the left again because our left lane is clear.
Indicate.
We always drive on the left and we come back in our left lane when the road is clear. Now we're going to pull up to the left.
Okay, so middle left, indicate. Slow down.
Look for your position and slow down. Go slowly. Slow speed is a key. Slow speed is a key. Good. And position is fine. Look in mirror.
Yep.
In big one. Yeah.
Okay, so we turn off the indicator.
Good.
Press park. The handbrake.
Okay, now reflect on this. I think that was really, really good. Better than before. Not perfect, but better. And how? How did you do it?
Talking to myself. I sound
Yeah,
crazy.
but
I sound
that-
crazy
no,
when
but
I
no.
do it.
No,
What?
it's a commentary drive and they prefer like examiner tell you to do it. It's good. This way you're telling yourself what to do early. You're making forward planning. And this way you are much better from before.
Mm.
Okay, so just start from here. How did you do it? How did you fix this issues? What was the issue before and how did you fix it now?
Okay, so the issue before was forgetting to signal.
Mm-hmm.
So now, because I'm signaling early, I'm aware that I've signaled. Because I'm signaling early, I don't forget because it's already done, because it was done earlier on instead of
Yes.
last minute.
So early signal is okay, or the last minute one is okay?
Early signal,
Why early?
because you know what you're doing, the road users know what you're doing, so that everyone else can prepare.
So they're all safe.
Yeah.
Okay. So you did it perfectly here. Then you turn. You look for the reference, which was absolutely fine. Then you were keep telling on the next junction. So what happened there when you turning left there?
It was the parked car, so I made sure I was away from the parked car whilst going into the junction. So I lowered my speed and made sure that there was enough space on either side.
Okay. And then you were keep going ahead. So where did you position yourself then this time on that road?
In the middle,
Why in the middle?
because you needed to be a meter away from the curb,
Mm-hmm.
but also a door width away from the parked cars.
Okay, that was perfect. And then you went ahead. End of the road, there was a left turn. Remember the white car? So where did you signal there? Your signal was okay, but I think a little bit early, because there was a side road on the left. And you start signaling because when you were next to the side road.
Oh.
Yeah, little bit early. So
Okay.
if you, there's a side road here where the black car is.
Yeah.
So if we are going ahead, end of the road, I tell you to turn left and you signal from here.
They're
What
gonna
is
think-
the danger?
They're gonna think I'm going into the side road. It's giving miscommunication.
Yeah, so only that mistake you made. Otherwise, everything perfect. But I'm not gonna leave you like this. We'll go again and you need to fix that issue on that turn. So correct time signal I need. 10 cars before, but there will be no road on the left or right. Because we are turning left, there will be no road before your turn, then you need to signal. Okay?
Mhm.
So get ready and gonna move off. So slowly move off and go to this side. It's your speed. If you go slow, give slow gas like this. So fix your position early. More to this side and keep going ahead. We fix these issues because sometimes you go very close with the park car. You're not thinking. And park cars are everywhere on every road. Whenever you entering, just look, situation is changed. The red car is there now. So what we gonna do now?
We're gonna lower the gas.
Okay,
And
very
then
very
we're gonna-
slow speed,
Yeah.
very like creeping, rolling, creeping, because we are next to the junction, and this is safe speed. This is safe speed. With this, you can assess. You will do everything. Like walking speed. Keep very very slow. Keep it very slow.
Wait, no, a little bit more forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we need to see. Look, because cars coming from this side. Only once you look once, and then you think that you need to go, but it's not safe. It's okay. You are a little bit you on the curb. It's okay. It's fine. We'll fix it in next turn. Keep going ahead. Talk to yourself so you can make forward planning.
Okay. So
Okay.
we can indicate now. There's a parked car, so we need to just make sure the speed is crawling. Make sure we've positioned ourselves
Yes.
nicely.
Good.
Okay. Now we slowly turn into the left, making sure there's enough space.
Good.
Okay. There's an upcoming car, so
We slowly move forward because there's no space. He will stop for us.
okay.
Slowly creeping forward. He will stop because there's no space. Little bit to the right. And then we go more to this side.
Okay, so now we've passed the parked cars, we can go into the middle. So it's 1 meter away from the curb and a door length away from the parked cars. sure to check the mirrors.
Mhm. And this is safe position, okay? Keep going ahead. End of the road, we are turning left. So remember where we're gonna signal.
Okay, so we can't signal here because it will give miscommunication. So we can slow down, start signaling,
Mm-hmm.
making sure that there's no hazards in front of us. Making sure the speed is at a manageable. Okay, so now we slowly start turning left when it's safe to do so. And we stop.
Yeah, you just stop early because he's turning. And he's coming as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so the road is clear. We can now
Mm-hmm.
slowly move up.
Which way we steering now?
Steering to the left.
Now,
And
which
then
way?
now we go to the right because
Good.
there's a parked car on the left.
Good.
So we make sure that we're a good distance away from both the parked car and the curb.
Yeah. Because road is not straight, so a little bit more to this side. The cross road, we are turning left.
Okay, so now we're turning left. We can
Just go a little bit slow. Look, I'm gonna stop you here.
too close to the
No,
parked
yes,
car.
yeah. So we're gonna turn left there.
So start moving into the road. Making
Mhm.
sure it's a slow speed. Okay, and stop so we can see into the road.
Mhm. Keep checking. Which way we're gonna look first?
We're gonna look to the middle and then to the left. The road
Yes.
is clear, so we can slowly start.
Slowly, don't give gas, don't give gas, don't give gas, don't give gas. Because when you give gas,
I wasn't on the gas.
where you come to this side, if I let you, you're gonna go on the curb. Look at the position of the car there. Look, yeah, you are on the curb
Yeah.
because I let you now.
Okay.
Look. Wait. Okay,
Yeah.
so you're gonna steer to the right. Steer to the right away from the curb. More, go slowly, and then come to my side. Move forward. He will reverse. That's why, because you went more to the left. When you're coming in the corner, now go slowly, move forward. More to this side, away from the curb. And here we slow down again, we can see the hazard. So we start steering to the right. Good. Keep going.
Okay, so now do we go back to the left?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, this is normal position and we go space now. Go. Now we're gonna pull up to the left where it's safe. Okay. We're stopping here.
Yeah.
Here somewhere. Okay. Park the car, handbrake. Okay, so just reflect on this circle. What happened? Because you fix one issue and there's another issue come up.
No.
You fixed the signal issue from here, but what happened with your position here when you were turning left?
It was okay. So this one was different because when we was turning left, there was a parked car, so there wasn't as much space.
But there was issue when you were turning left. The issue was you didn't
Curve.
observe. You didn't observe properly. You just looked once, and then you tried to go to the left, but there was a red car approaching. Because if you observe properly, yes.
Yeah.
Remember?
do you know- yeah. The thing is, I felt as if it was too far back, So I wanted to move a bit forward to see the road, if that makes sense. But when
Yeah.
I went forward to see the road is when the red car was coming.
Yeah, the creeping speed. You just keep creeping, rolling slowly, edge forward, look properly. But you look once and then you try to go on the left, but the car approached the red car. So it wasn't safe, but that's why you went little bit on the curb. So how many times we looking when we approaching at the junction?
At least 2 or 3 times.
Why multiple times?
For the safety of us and other road users, to make sure that we don't
Okay.
cause any casualties.
And if we go with the one glance, what is the danger and consequences of that action?
You never know like what's in front of you or behind you. You need to make sure that
So
it
to
is
avoid this danger, what is the best solution, best remedy?
to look
When to
multiple-
turn
When to turn? When the road is safe to do so.
and how we gonna do this?
By looking multiple times and placing yourself properly.
Position of the car. We're gonna go out again. So after that junction, that was absolutely okay. We come round, end of the road. You signal on time. You fix the issue. Perfectly fine. You fix the issue because that signal was on correct time. Then end of the road, the left turn was really good because you stopped before the junction. And why did you stop before the junction?
Because there was an oncoming car. Or two coming
Yes,
cars.
two. So you stop for them. That was really good. Okay, I like that. So you stop before the junction for your safety and for their safety. Then they turn safely in the road, and we come around, and then at the cross road when we turn left, what happened?
I was two to the left. My positioning wasn't the best.
What about speed?
Oh yeah, the speed was a bit. It wasn't
So-
creeping. It was a
so-
bit high.
Sometime like when you're turning left, and even if you're not giving gas, go very slowly. Just press the brake. Keep your foot on brake and then turn. Because if instead of giving gas or going very fast, keep pressing the brake slowly, brake and come slowly in your turn. And don't give gas until your car is straight in this road.
Oh, question.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so say your foot is not on the gas or on the brake, is it still gonna be rolling? Like, say for example.
Yeah, it's still rolling, so keep the foot on your brake. Because
no,
you
like, no, say for example, yeah, you was on 10 and then you're trying to slow down the car, you put the brake down, right?
Mhm.
But say you put your foot off the brake, is it gonna go down to 0 or is it just gonna stay?
because you turned your wheel, so car's gonna come to the left.
No, I'm about the speed. Okay, so say for example, my speed is at 5 and my
Yeah.
foot isn't on the gas, it's not on the brake, and we're going down, is it still gonna stay at 5 or is it gonna go down? Like the speed of the car. So it's not on either of the pedals,
But it's still gonna go fast. This is electric car. You're gonna press the brake. If you're not braking anything, the car's gonna go fast. Even if it's 5, just try that. You're gonna still press the brake. To even go on 2 or 3, if it's on 5, just press the brake again a little bit. Because if you're not doing anything and you give a full lock on the left, the car's gonna go really fast. That's why you come to the left on the curb, and you said I'm on the left, but when we checked on the left side, our cars was
curb.
on the curb.
Yeah, mountain.
That's you didn't press the gas,
No.
no, and then with the 5 speed we went on the curb. So you need to press brake on that time
Okay.
instead of giving gas. And when you see that your car is straight in new road, then slowly give gas and move forward. Okay.
Mm.
So get ready, and we're gonna do this again. It's absolutely fine.